ऑल राइट, वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका मैथ का टॉपिक नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करेंगे। द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट। सो सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट में बेसिकली देर आर normally two types of question you get in sitting arrangement. The first type is the linear sitting and second type is the circular sitting. Circular sitting is simple, so normally the people are sitting across the round table. Whenever we are discussing the circular sitting, normally unless stated in the question, we presume that everybody is sitting facing the center. And linear sitting, so again unless specify, I will take my right as the right. So as of now this is my right and this is my left. So normal directions right and left will be as per my right and left. So again if you are doing the question, that will be as per your right and left unless stated in the question. If something specific is stated in the question, please make sure you treat those as the facts. Alright, so these are the broad two types we will be doing. Let's quickly jump on the first example for sitting arrangement. The first example is the linear type. The first example states that 5 persons are sitting in a row. One of the 2 persons at extreme ends is intelligent and other one is fair. So it states that total 5 persons are sitting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 persons are sitting, and if I take again simply my right as my right, so this will be the right side, this will be the left side. So this is the journal based upon the sitting arrangement. So this is the journal guideline we have just followed. Now one person sitting at the extreme end is intelligent. So we don't know whether sitting at number 5 or 1 is intelligent, but extreme end means either right end or the left end. So I will write here intelligent and other is fair. So other is fair. So intelligent and other is fair. I am not sure, but this is definite that whether intelligent or fair will be sitting at this extreme end or maybe at this extreme end. So we will evaluate further. A fat person is sitting to the right of weak person. So second information is given. A fat person is sitting to the right. So as per this, the right side is this of a weak person. So this is the second info given. Next is a tall person is to the left of the fair person. Now if you say fair person, we know is sitting on one of the extreme side. So if I talk about this side and I make fair person sit here and it says a tall person is sitting to the left, there is no left for this person because we have total 5 people and there is no left side for this person. So this is the clue that where is the fair person sitting. So fair person has to sit here so that we get a left side of that person. So left side of that person is a tall person. So this decodes the complete questions, and the intelligent person will be sitting here and the rest two will fit here because the fat and the weak. So this is the final decode of the complete question. So the trick was fair person ke left mein tall hai. Fair person cannot sit here because yahan ka left side it ends. There is no left of this because he is already sitting on the extreme side. So there is no left side, there is only right side, this side. So we have to consider fair is there and rest will always fill in. So let's quickly go through the question. The first question is, first tall person is at which place counting from the right? So counting from the right, tall person is from second place. So first question answer is second place. Second question, person to the left of weak person possesses which of the following characteristics? So person to the left of weak, so left side is this way, left and right, so left side is this way, so weak person के left side में we have the characteristic of a person which is intelligent. And third question, which of the following person is sitting at the center? That's fair, fat, number 3, center. So this is the, so fairly simple ask, sitting arrangements will not be that much of a difficulty to you. So this is how you decode these questions. Alright, moving to the next example. The example number 2, this is more of a circular type. So as I told you before, whenever they discuss circle, we treat normally that people sitting across circle, they are normally facing, unless stated, they are normally facing towards center. So if I'm talking about here, the right side is this and left side is this. So every person left side and right side may change accordingly. If a person is sitting here, so इनका right ये होगा और इनका left ये होगा. So just visualize yourself sitting any place on the circle and then you decide right or left. Okay, let's quickly read the question. 6 persons are sitting in a circle facing the center. So 6 persons are sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. So I'll just place randomly. Parik is between Babita and Narendra. This is one guess. Babita and Narendra. Another guess is similar. If I say Parik is sitting between Babita and Narendra, it can be always this as well, because here also this statement is right, that Parik is sitting between Babita and Narendra, and here also. So eventually we have option 1, we have option 2. Let's see which one is correct based upon the further data. Next is Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. So Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. This is one option, and another option may be Asha is between Chitra and Pankaj. So both these statements. Accordingly, we have two options now. So let's see which one is correct. Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita. So if I talk about this, Babita is sitting here and is facing to the center. So this will be the right side of Babita and this will be the left side of Babita. And in this case, if Babita is sitting here, this will be the left side, this will be the right side. So in which case, see, Chitra is to immediate left of Babita. So immediate left of Babita while sitting in the circle is this option. Chitra is to the immediate left of Babita. So this is wrong, because in this case the immediate left is Parik. So this option was wrong. This is the correct one. So based upon this diagram, now we will be able to answer the further questions. Let's see what is the further ask in the question. Who is to the immediate right of Babita? So that's pretty simple. Babita, immediate left is Chitra and immediate right is Parik. So option A, Parik, is the right answer. So sitting arrangement is pretty simple. So you have some questions in the drill. Just make sure, again, two basic laws. Number 1, linear. Number 2, circular. Linear is always presume your right and your left and then solve the question. And circular means basically everybody is normally facing the center and accordingly you decide left or right. Alright, just go through the drill, and if you have any problems, get back to us. Thank you so much.